Hi guys, so this video is for intermediate level. If you are around level 4, then this video is for you. So I noticed that some level 4 students are still struggling with their sentence structure and word placement, especially when speaking. So I'm going to make correction on a paragraph the student sent me. And the essence is so that she can get the correction and then any other person that this might be helpful for will also get to see it. So let's get to it. This is the sentence here. Okay. This is the paragraph here. Okay, so I'm going to read it out. 今天是星期日，我9点半起床。This part, there's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but this next place is where the problem is. 有点儿起床了很晚。Now, first things first, 有点儿 does not modify the whole sentences. 有点儿 modifies adjectives. And what are adjectives? Tired, hungry, happy, sad. So you cannot put it before the verb. 起床 is the verb, and you cannot put it there. And what is the adjective in this sentence? It is late. 晚起得有点晚. So that sentence is supposed to be 起得有点晚. And then there's a la after 起床. La has no business in this sentence. You cannot use 有点 and la in the same sentence, let alone 很. Is either you say 起得很晚 or you say 起得有点晚. You cannot even say 起得有点很晚. No. So 起得有点晚. The next one, 起床了后我先 The next one, 起床了后我先祈祷，然后看中文视频，然后刷牙，然后热饭. The problem in this sentence is 起床了后 you cannot use 了 and 以后 at the same time. Either you're using 以后 or you're using 了. Although they don't quite communicate the same, there is a little bit of difference. But you cannot use both of them. You cannot say 休息了后 No. 休息以后，起床以后，吃饭后，回家后，还有什么？睡觉后，做饭后。You cannot say 做饭了后，不能这样说。OK， 我先祈祷，然后看中文视频，这个没问题。然后刷牙，然后热饭。So I'm using 然后 in that sense again. Why not just say 在 use 在 the 在 of again and then again and then 再刷牙，再热饭。OK， 我的心情比较好。This place the problem is 错别字。There's a wrong character there. It's supposed to be 心情。没有工作。No problem. 我能只有听中文音乐。能只有 is a very big problem. Yes. 能只 anytime you're using 只 most times come immediately after the subject. And the subject here is 我. So 我只 yeah. So 我只能 this 只能 I use it frequently in Chinese. So just have something that is 我只能 It cannot be 我能只 我只能 is not supposed to be here. So it's supposed to be 我只能听中文音乐，看视频，吃饭，还有睡觉。Then the last part was almost perfect, but there's a little bit of adjustment. 总之没有安排 is missing one word that will make it smoother, and that is 什么。总之没有什么安排。总之没有什么安排。Is that what I understood? If you have a question, leave it in the comments. I'll attend to it. Bye-bye.